Hey guys, you're welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
Hello dear creative, welcome to Radiance Creation Online Training. In this video, what I'll be showing you is how to make our cross-pleated turban with a fan design. So these are the material we'll be using. We need our scuba material, this is scuba material. You need your office pin, your scissors and your temple, and with your zigzag scissors. Your needle and thread and your office pin with your pegs. You will need pegs to hold your plate. So let us get started, guys. And this is the plate we are going to put on the top of our turban. I've already pleated it and sewed it. Don't worry about this. The video is available that you're going to watch how to do that. And we need two of these. In that video, I've explained that I have 18 inches here by I think by 15 inches. If you watch the video, you're going to see what I used here. So don't worry about that. And the second one, I've already placed it on my turban. I've already tacked it to my turban. Please don't worry, you're going to watch the video clearly and understand what I did. I don't just want to repeat the same thing again. That is why I did not make another video on that. So the video explained how to make this turban and the plate. So you're going to watch that. On the other video that I said I will send, this one I sewed it down. But now on this, because of this tie, because we are going to place the other plate on it, remember the measurement for the two, for this plate I place on this and this one is the same thing. So because we are going to place this on it to cross it, I'm not going to sew this one straight the way I sewed it from the beginning. I'm going to take it to the back a little like this. I'll take it, it's not straight like this. I'll take it to the back a little, just like this, and tack it down with my needle and thread. Just a little, so that by the time we will place the second pleat on it, it will give us what we want. So I'll just tack it in a neat way, very neat. So I've tacked it down. Can you see? It goes to the back small. So now I'll take the second pleat and place it on it. So I'll cross it on it. So this is the down part. This is the down part. I will just the up part will be facing up like this. Can you see? So this is what we want. We want the cross like this. We want it to be crossed like this. You can use your ashoke to achieve this. And if you want your pleat to be more than this, to be higher than this, you will increase the measurement. So I will just place it like this. Can you see what I'm saying? And trace it back and tack it to it. And tack it to the back. So I'll first start, I will make sure I place it in a way that this one will reach the back and join to the other plate. We reach back now and join to the end of this first plate so that I'll able to tack it together. I'm using 18 inches. So the 18 inches is still okay for me. So now I'll place this one on it very well and I'll make sure the cross is obvious. I'll tack it from that side. I'll first tack it on this side, tack it again and again. And that is what I will do now. I'll show you the next thing. I will show you the tacking. Now I'm going to tack it. So this is how it's going to be. I've not tacked it, so I just use my pin to hold it down. Can you see the pin? So that is what will help you to be able to tack very well. So it's the pin I used to hold it down. Now I'll be using my needle and thread to tack it down. You must make sure you place it very well before you tack. The cross shape must show very well before you start tacking. So now we'll go ahead and tack in a way that it won't show that I use a needle and thread to tack it. So you insert your thread inside it like this. Now the thread I'm inserting inside the one on top. I'll then take it back inside and tack it to the one under. My needle must go back inside, close to where I came out, so that the thread will not be showing outside. So when you are passing your thread through them, you can pick like 2 to 3 pleats, the one on top and the one under, to pack it together. 2 to 3 pleats. By the time I tack it, I would now arrange it very well. So you will tack and secure. You tack like 2 to 3 times and secured. And jump to this side. Tack this side, and tack the back. That's what I'm going to do. So I just want to knot it now. I make sure I knot it very well so that it will lose back. So I have tacked this side now. If you look at it, you see that there's no thread showing. I don't know, maybe you can see it very well. So now I will arrange it very well and go and tack this side. I will tack this side in a way that the thread will not show. I will tack it very well. You know where I put it inside the scuba, come out and pass it through. So by this time, I will be tacking everything together. All the pleats, I'll be tacking it together. I'll be tacking it together. So you will go like 2 to 3 times before you knot it, and thereafter remove the pin you used to pin it. So I'll just go ahead now and tack the middle of this one, tack it at the middle. You must make sure that there is a line you follow there. The line also must continue here. So I will just tack it down. I will pick like 2 pleats on the plate and tack it to the turban. And after, I will tack the back together. So for this one, the 2 ends, you're just going to take your needle and thread, put it on each other like this, and tack it together. Pass the thread inside all of the pleats and tack it together. So, and if you know that it's not going to be okay for you, conform your handle to it and tie it at the back. But this is turban. It's not a autogele or scaffinator. Just depend on your choice. So I'll just pass my thread inside the pleats, the 2 pleats, place it on each other and sew it like 3 to 4 times. I'll sew it. And you can also form a loop to cover it after sewing. But at the end of the day, I think I would like it without using loop. I'll just make sure I sew it very well and the thread is not showing outside. I am done packing and see the back. You see that it doesn't need any handle. You can just form your loop, but it's okay for me like this. Now back to the front. Just arrange your pleat very well. Use your hand to dress it very well. So please, your tacking is very important. If you don't tack very well, or if you don't pleat very well, it's not going to come out nice. I will always tell you some things that can cause you to do some mistakes. So, and this is what we have. Look at it. So now I'm going to form our fan design on the back, at the back here, so that it will able to cover this side. But this side is not a problem. It could be like this. Just make sure you arrange it very well. It can be like this. It's not a problem. But I will form my fan design at the back to also add beauty to my turban. However, for the fan design now, for the fan design I have 6 inches. From here to here is 6 inches, and from here to here is 17 inches. I think 17 to 18 inches. 18 inches. So now you just the top part of the fan design, I use my scissors to cut it, and that is why you are seeing something zigzag like that. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to plait like just children fan. When you use your paper, when those children use paper to make fan design, so just plait, please make sure the plate is very small, not big ones. I like small plates. So after that, just use your hand to trace it very well so that the plate will show on the top. You can even hold it with um your peg. But now let me first use my needle and thread to tie this place down. So I'll use my needle and thread to tack this place down. So it's only the down part I'll be tacking. This down part. Just tack it very well. You go like 2 to 3 times. So you just have something like this after you're done. If you want it bigger than this, you just increase your own to 20 to 25. So thereafter you will place it on your turban. So I'll just place it on the at the back of the this thing. I won't place it like this. You can decide to place your own like this. Just increase the length to 25, but I will be placing it on one side like this. On one side like this. Just like this. I'll just tack it down. Cut it. I will tack it down. So I'll just place it wherever I want it to be, and first use my office pin to pin it down, and then after I use my needle and thread to tack it. Remember that it's not going to be at the center like this. If you want it to be at the center, just increase your own. My own is going to be at one side, just a little from the center like this, and I will tack it. And when I discovered that this thing is too high for me, because there are some customers that you will do something like this for them, the way that it's too high, you can trim some parts out and trim this side if you are doing something like this. You see. So that is what I'm going to do now. I will tack it with my needle and thread just to place it wherever you want it to be. I don't need to show you that. It's just easy to do. Place it wherever you want it to be, tack it, and that is all. And this is it, guys. I've tacked the fan to the turban. Look at it. Can we call this thing turban or Autogele? Look at the back. So the tacking is very important. You must tack very well. You must tack very well. Look at it. So for this side, for this sharp edge, if I decide, I could decide to just cuff it, use my scissors to cuff it so that the shape will be round, and I can decide to leave it that way. Depends on my choice. So we are done with our cross plated turban with fan design. It's all about creativity. Alright, thanks for watching. You can go ahead to embellish your turban with pearls or stones and or trimmings. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye. Take care. Love you.